In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can delete a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Now let me quickly open PowerPoint first. Okay. Now let me just quickly click on that. And then I'm just going to add slides from here. So once you're on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation already, you just need to simply open that. And let's say, for example, this is the second slide. It's the second slide that I'm going to delete. So first, you just need to click the slide. Okay, so it's the second slide. So we now selected the slide. Then you just need to make a right click, and then you'll have this cut option. Click on that. Okay. And then we have this first slide. Now, if I'm going to click on that or delete that, make a right click, and then you just need to simply click on cut. And now we have only two remaining slides from four. Then it's now just two remaining slides because we have deleted the two slides in the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.